Today we're going to be installing these tow mirrors on a 2020 Ram 2500. For some reason it came with these little mirrors. These are all the tools you're going to need: a 10mm, a little 1/2" hex bit or T15 hex bit for all those little screws around the door, flathead, one of these tools to get rid of the little plastic things, and a Phillips. That's pretty much it. A little tape, and can't forget the good old razor knife. To start, we're just going to remove all these little T15 screws. This cover right here, and can't forget to pop this little cover off too. Just be gentle, you don't want to break the clips back behind it. And this is where you'll find the 10mm nuts you'll have to take off. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. Whoa, don't want to scratch that. Okay, so when those are all removed, I like to go through with this little guy and pop these little things out, just like that. Oop. I'm sure there's an easier way to do it. Now that all that's been removed, you just lift up and that comes right out. And we have to undo one wire right here. It just has a little clip on it. When you undo it, we can put the door aside, door panel. I've got a lot. Sorry, tight quarters. Next, we're gonna find this wire. We're gonna pop it out of these clip points. This one actually has two little clips in the back that hold it in. So you have to push on the top, push on the bottom. All right, so now with all that off, we'll be able to unhook this one plug and undo our 3 bolts or nuts that hold the mirror in. And there we have it. Got our 3 bolts back in. We just got to tighten them. The wires, they all have this little control box. You just plug them in accordingly because these have more wires than the other ones. Then we're ready to put our door panel back in and repeat the process once these are tightened. Easy peasy, 5 minutes to do it all. Oh, one last thing, I did put this clip back in. You have to cut it off of the old mirrors and then it'll clip right in. Just tape it back up. Same thing with that one, it's a little zip tie. Reach down in here, put this back up through the hole. Just kidding, plug it in. Make sure our holes are all lined up. All right, remember this piece goes in next. And just like that, we have Chevy style tow mirrors on our Ram.